Here we go.
Here we are. Better turn the radio off.
Oh, look at that.
There we go.
I think it looks quite cute with the one eye at the minute,
It's
to be
like an
honest.
homage to the old 2CV prototype.
It does.
That,
Don't that look just absolutely gorgeous?
yeah, it does look nice.
I cannot say this enough, Jonathan. Thank you very much.
That's alright, it's what you're paying.
It's yeah, even so. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's the quality of the work, though, isn't it? That's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, it is. It's worked out lovely.
I will never forget what that rear panel looked like, and the videos and photos will
Oh, yeah.
not let me forget what that rear panel looked like.
Right, it looks right now.
Look at that now.
Looks how it should.
Do you want to put it on?
Yeah, we'll
and
put it on, then
we'll
you can
polish
flat it down,
Yeah,
yeah.
well, I flattered it.
One of the joys of being at Peak 2CVs, you never know what's going to turn up. So a lady called Sarah's just pulled up in her 2CV named Patch. I think we can guess why it's called Patch. Comes complete with a doggy. Hello, doggy. I absolutely love how this car looks. Thank you very much again. You have a good weekend.
Right, you too.
Yep. Yep, thank you very much. Well, folks, this is the first drive home after Dottie's restoration. Here we go.